Hi, I'm Pat Daly, Director of Education for the Halton Catholic District School Board. While we've been anticipating this week for the last 6 months, our opportunity to welcome your children back to our schools. Whether virtually or face-to-face, we've spent the last 5 months planning for this return, and we're excited to have them back with us. I know this has been a difficult time for many parents, for students, and for our staff. This global pandemic has affected us all in very different ways. I know that for our parents, there are many difficult decisions that you've had to make over the last several weeks. It's a very different return to school. Different schedules, different timing, students in different classes. All of those things combined together, I know have created some additional stress for you. I do want you to know that first and foremost, we've worked closely with Halton Health to ensure a safe environment for all of our students and our staff. Over the past week, our staff have been in the buildings to practice a number of safety protocols to ensure that they understand all of our health and safety procedures so that we can welcome your children back in the safest way possible. I also recognize that for many of our children and our families, events outside of our community have had a great impact on them over the last 6 months. Events both in the United States and here in Canada have only re-emphasized the importance of the work we've already begun in trying to address anti-Black racism and anti-Indigenous racism. I can assure you that we're committed to continuing that work in our board so that we can ensure all of our students benefit, have access to, and share in the same opportunities that our wonderful system of Catholic education can provide. I also know in the past several months, many of you in our community have reached out for support and have been a source of support for others. That sense of community is a hallmark of our Catholic schools. We'll maintain that sense of community and even expand it so that we know that all of our students, whether in front of us face-to-face or meeting with us virtually, will all be included in our schools. We know that healthy schools are mentally healthy schools. So we'll continue the work that we've done over the summer to connect, check in, and include all of our students to ensure that they have a better transition back to school. I also want to thank you for supporting your children at home in practicing things like good hand hygiene, wearing masks in public, maintaining physical distancing. These are measures we'll also practice with your children over the next weeks and months. Together, both at school and at home, by maintaining and enhancing these practices, we'll help ensure the safety not only of our students at school, but also in our wider community. Finally, as a Catholic school system, we are people of hope. My hope for our system, my hope for your children, is that when they return to us, while many things have changed over the past 6 months, the one thing that won't have changed is our commitment to ensuring that we meet the needs of all of our students, that we celebrate our faith, that we model Christ-like behavior, and that all of our students feel a sense of safety, welcome, and belonging. Welcome back.